been much easier if I would have started from this position, from the get-go. If you made it this far, first of all, thank you very much. You are a very patient and devoted person. Really appreciate it. Secondly, you're probably asking yourself, did I really watch a dude just assemble a shoe rack in this video, especially using all the basic tools instead of using something more advanced? Well, yeah, you kind of did. But that's the whole point about it. I decided that I want to challenge myself. I want to pick the most boring objects out there and I want to make hopefully an entertaining video out of it. Hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. It's free, and hey, there's going to be a lot of interesting stuff coming up. I'm trying to do all sorts of different things, all sorts of different videos, and I'm really looking forward to seeing more people joining our small community and hopefully providing me with the feedback in terms of what kind of other videos I'll make. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!